The government has extended the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana (Pmgkay) for another 5 years from 1st of January 2024. Under the scheme, 5 kilograms of free food grains are being provided per month to over 81 crore poor in the country. Briefing media in New Delhi, Union Information and Broadcasting Minister Anurag Singh Thakur made the announcement about the Union Cabinet's decision in this regard.
So I hope I'm able to make it very clear. For us, money is not a problem, budget is not a problem, providing free food grain is not a problem. That is the priority for us. So it is the priority from Prime Minister Modi to continue to the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana for the next 5 years. Whatever the cost will be, as of today, it stands at 11,80,000 crore rupees for 80 crore plus Indians who will benefit out of this. 5 kilo per person, as well as the Antyodaya families will keep getting 35 kilos per family per month.